and today we are going to learn how to create Soundcloud account. So if you want to create your Soundcloud account, first of all open up your browser, any browser you like. For now I'm using my Chrome browser. So after opening up your browser, just type Soundcloud sign up. So after typing in Soundcloud sign up, you can find the first link, Soundcloud register, sign in or access our homepage. Just tap on that link. So after tapping on accept, you have to enter your email address or profile URL. After entering your email address, tap on continue, and now you have to choose your password. And after choosing your password, tap on accept and continue. And now you have to enter your age and your gender. And after entering your age, tap on continue again. And after tapping on that, you have successfully created your Soundcloud account. So this is how you create your Soundcloud account. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.